to Salestrekker 2.0 training series. In this module, we'll walk through how to enter a client's assets. Accurately recording assets helps lenders assess the applicant's financial position and strengthens the overall loan application. Navigating to the Assets section. From within the client's file, select Assets from the left-hand menu. This will open the Asset Summary screen, where you can begin adding each asset the applicant owns. Adding a new asset. To add an asset, select Add Asset in the top right corner. You will then choose the type of asset you're entering. Salestrekker 2.0 provides a range of asset categories, including owner-occupied properties, investment properties, motor vehicles, savings, shares and superannuation, etc. Select the appropriate category to continue. If the applicant owns property, select the appropriate type. Enter the property address, ownership percentage, and the estimated value. These details are essential for lender servicing and equity calculations. You can then add the mortgage loan associated with this property. Doing this links the asset directly to the liability, which will make the liabilities section much quicker and more accurate when you complete it later. Entering vehicle assets. For motor vehicles, enter the make, model, year, and estimated value. If the vehicle is jointly owned, ensure the ownership percentage is recorded correctly. Entering savings and cash accounts. This information helps lenders verify genuine savings and available funds. Entering shares, investments, and superannuation. For investment assets, enter the type of investment, the provider, and the current value. For superannuation, record the fund name and the applicant's balance. These assets contribute to the applicant's overall financial strength. Entering personal and other assets. Personal assets may include items such as jewelry, furniture, or other valuables. Only include these if they are relevant to the application or required by the lender. Multiple applicants. If there is more than one applicant, ensure each asset is assigned to the correct person. For jointly owned assets, allocate the appropriate ownership percentage to each applicant. Once all assets have been entered, review the list to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, select Save at the bottom of the page.